So the first question is, can you tell us a little bit about CTE and what it is?
So CTE, or Career and Technical Education, is really awesome here at Cascade. We have a great group of teachers who try to make hands-on learning possible for people who maybe aren't going into a traditional college route after school, or people who just want to explore fun options. CTE is things when you think of manufacturing and woods, health services, agriculture, cooking, things that encourage hands-on learning-based opportunities for individuals.
That's really cool. Can you tell us how this will affect our community?
So we have a lot of really great community outreach that's done through our CTE programs. Mr. Iverson links a lot with a lot of the city of Turner, city of Almsville, and they create fun projects. It's a great way to bring people together. I mean, Stephanie Cox, our health service instructor, she's amazing. Has Turner Fire come in and give live presentations to students, teaching them what they, might interact if they go into that healthcare field. Well, I really believe our CTE programs are going to continue to grow. I mean, we've got great staff behind them, and I love teachers that are working together. We have one teacher who is teaching a drones and flight class, Mr. Medlock, who is trying to link it with other opportunities, partnering up with the ag teacher, Mr. Brill, about how drones really help support in agriculture. And I feel like our biggest growth right now is everybody's having amazing ideas and they're starting to tie together. You can link a lot of these programs to study and really do great things in showing students, hey, you can be involved in agriculture and to see how drones are utilized in it. You can incorporate fresh produce from the gardens in the greenhouse into cooking class. There's just the opportunities are endless. The main goal, I think, depends on who you kind of ask. You'll get a different answer from everybody. I feel like the main goal of CTE is to encourage different learning opportunities and to encourage people to really explore careers that are fun for them, to encourage development into hands-on learning opportunities, to give them something to explore.
Great. Do you know how students will benefit from CTE depending on the classes?
I think they benefit from work-based learning opportunities. They benefit from hands-on and working with wonderful teachers. Here at Cascade, all the teachers are fantastic. I'm a big fan of promoting our Cascade community and our family. A guilty party of believing the CTE teachers are also just amazing individuals who are going to go above and beyond, as everyone here does, to help students. I feel like those opportunities with people who genuinely care and teachers and staff that are there to support you, I think that's the key to it.
Yes, I agree. For our final question, what is, in your opinion, the best part of that CTE?
Oh, I love the diversity of CTE. I love how you could walk into one classroom and you see Tom Potacek teaching safety on all of his equipment. You walk into another classroom and it's Mr. Brill in the ag room and he's got a horse coming out of one of the horse trailers and teaching students about that. Or you go in and you see Turner Fire working with Ms. Cox, or you smell cookies baking. It's a wonderful experience for all. I mean, we had our small engines mechanics class that started this year also. They're getting a lift installed in order to teach students and get them certified and getting them practice job skills on industry level equipment. It's amazing.